So far, our select statements have been select any, and we haven't been particular about which instance that we get. But select statements support where clauses. So let's add a where clause. And even though we know there's only one instance because of the verifier test session that we're running, you could imagine a situation where there were many of these instances of track log, and with different values for distance and current speed in each of the instances, and we may want to get only an instance whose distance is above or below a certain value. So let's do that. Let's select and get track logs only where the distance value is greater than 5.0. Oops. We use the keyword selected and then use the attribute that we're going to put into an expression. And so here we'll select any track log from instances of track log where the distance of the selected instance is greater than 5. And I will leave this same if statement in place, and we'll print a message if we find any. We can see that we have one, so we should see the message come again when we execute our function. So I execute it, and we do see it. Now let's say that we were selecting only instances with distances greater than 9 kilometers, and we'll run and see if we get any instances this time. Okay, so it told us that we invoked the function, but we got no message out. We can make that more clear with an else statement. And let's just log an information message. No track logs found in that range. Now, if we search for instances of track log with a distance greater than 9, and we see that we don't have any, we should see this message this time. Okay. So that's the where clause. Where clauses they're like the conditions in an if statement or a while statement. They must return a Boolean value, and you can use these to search for particular instances in a group of instances, and the where clause can be arbitrarily complex.